sale tomorrow, and I want to make cookies for it.
Thanks for telling me now. We have to get started. Vanilla extract.
Got it.
And a half a cup of softened butter.
This is not soft.
I wouldn't do that if I were you.
Mom, I'm gonna let you handle this one.
Yeah, go ahead.
I've got what you need. It's Blazin butter.
It's what?
It's Blazin butter.
How does that work?
Well, let me tell you.
The Blazin butter is the only product on the market that can soften a stick of butter straight from the refrigerator in 5 minutes or less. It slices the stick into tablespoon-sized pieces and harnesses the power of your microwave and water to perfectly soften the butter with hydrothermal heat. Best of all, it's dishwasher safe and it will change your life.
Oh, looks like it's ready.
That was fast.
Only 5 minutes.
Hey, they're done.
Ooh, couldn't hurt to try one. They're perfect.
Thanks to
Blazin butter.
Now, do superheroes clean up too?
Go to blazinbutter.com to claim your Blazin butter today. blazinbutter.com